All right, guys. So on April 12th, we planted all them potatoes, and this is what we got out of them. We got a full 5 gallon bucket and about a quarter or so of a bucket also. So we're gonna just wash some of these up. We're gonna have some for supper tonight, of course. They're already in the washing machine here. And yeah, so we did pretty good. I don't know how many pounds it was, but I'd say probably 15 pounds of potatoes. All right, life is interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit, quitters never win, and keep on growing.